Everyone loves growing their own food. But how do you maximise the efficiency of your vegetable garden as gardens are getting smaller? This is an inner city garden in Hobart where there's very limited space. So my tip for getting the most out of this small vegetable garden is growing your own greens. That's as opposed to growing fruiting vegetables, things like tomatoes and eggplants, where you've got to develop a vegetative structure of leaves and stems before you've got any fruits to harvest. And all sorts of things can go wrong, like possums getting into your garden or pests and diseases taking their toll. So if you've got a small garden like this and you really want to get some bang for your buck, I've written a book with Simon Leek, Grow Your Own, How to Be an Urban Farmer, which details all sorts of innovative methods to get the maximum out of small space gardens like this. Happy gardening.